Oh yeah, still Friday, just come back from the workshop. It's got me in the mood to start on this 1303 Super Beetle. Let's see if a cold start. First time in what? It was Christmas Eve, 3 weeks. Then I'll show you all around what needs doing, stuff like that. But I'll be doing this one from home. Get the battery on, hopefully he's still charged. Yeah, I picked this one up. When was it? Christmas. Oh, a few days before Christmas. Not bad price. Full lights on the dash. Little noise alert. Oh, wow, wait. First time. Sounding strong. Let's have a look at them. Right, noise alert again. Oh wow. Happy days. Yeah, nice little 1300. Yeah, see all the, I'll show you the bodywork first. Just bought some red paint, whether it matches or not, but it's just a little spray paint. Let's see if he lifts up. Oh yeah, I don't think I showed you under the bonnet. Rust repair there. Yeah, that's not filler, it's just paint that's flipped away. But I'll take the bumper off, I think. Yeah, it's a bit soft there. Put a panel in. That's the original bluey green. Yep. I think someone in the past that's not filler, it's just, that's primer I think. They've started to rub it down without repairing it. Easy fix. Oh yeah, they've put rust converter there, like you see the colour of it. He's a nice solid bug. I've got clips I've brought on from the unit. That's easy fix again. Yeah, someone's used filler, but I'll repaint that. Have a quick look at the engine. Oh, he's clean. Not been on the road for 6 years, 6.5 years, 2014. But yeah, he sort of bloody first time there. Rusty bumper, but he's got the elephant's feet. He's a 1303 Super Beetle. Whoop, whoop. Alright, dents, they will pull out. I've got the tools to do that, so the wheel come off. Pop them out. It looks like it's been kicked, to be honest. Let's have a look. That's definitely a couple, that's kids, I reckon. Let's kick that in the street, even though he's in a garage. But yeah, W-Reg, he's 1974, but he come over from Isle of Wight, hence the W plate. But he's registered as a 74. Interior, the seats are good, but I did, yeah, the usual split. But I'll be taking these covers off, cleaning them up, putting them off Beetle. Good headlining, right, rust, let's have a go. Size of a 10p piece. Size of a 50p piece, but yeah, the outer bit, let's have a look. That's the inner wheel well. Yeah, common fault. Easy fix. I've noticed a couple of bits on the floor. Oh yeah, there's a little daylight there. I've got a pedal I brought home, so I'll weld in a pedal, sorry. Easy. The heater channels are solid, but the front bit, obviously not, but I can repair that. Not a lot, to be honest. Good tyres. Love the original steely wheels. Yeah, I'm looking to start work on this one next. Well, tomorrow. Get them on the driveway. The old square back, still full of spares. I did drive him 2 days ago. He started up again first time. I drove him down to my mate's place, but yeah, he still got the spares. Alright, that's the old Super Beetle. Oh yeah, I've got the running board. I'll show you. But yeah, Herbie's still over there. I was going to do a trade on a camper van, but no room. Herbie don't need as much work as the camper van he's offered, so that's deals in the air. So, right. We've had a good tidy up in the garage. Now Christmas is over. Our house is nearly sorted. I've had to put tarpaulin up on the steel roof because of the condensation. So that's out. But the 1303, it come with a 1300 engine, which has all been stripped down. So I ain't got a clue why it's all stripped down. But it come with the heads. Now I can clean it. I've never done a complete rebuild. I've still got my 1300 on the engine stand there. But yeah, seen it come free. Never bargain. So I'll check the case. I'll get new pistons and barrels. So yeah, chuffed the bits for that. Trekker. The beam will be going in very soon. I've got a 4-inch narrow beam. That's a beetle beam, which I'll be using the front arms, trailing arms, and the brakes. Just got to do the steering box, which I started to clean up somewhere. Yeah, under there. The wing, this is what's stopping me doing the resto project. The wing not fitting right, not looking right. So I've been trying to track down another one, but I'm gonna have to work with what I got. I paid 250 quid for that one. Yeah, but I have got a spare door which I can use for the ribs, so if I start to crack on with that, that'll work a treat. Say, I'm gonna rust proof all that as well. But yeah, so that's that. That's two good things happening today. And with that, thanks very much. Happy New Year again, and stay safe. Cheers, guys.